Okay, this song is Set Fire to the Rain. Um, I think it's Adele who sing it. I don't know. I think so, but I like it. So I don't know all the songs, so I'm just gonna sing a little bit. I hope you guys like it. So here we go. I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over until you kissed my lips and you say me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak. Stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say that were never true. And the game you play, you will always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it burns, well, I cry, 'cause I hear it screaming out your name.